gusto niya mangako siya sa harap ng Diyos. Dahil gusto niya mangako na mamahalin ka niya habang buhay, hindi lang sa'yo. Ang tao kasi pwede mong pangakuan at bulahin at iwanan. Pero pag nangako ka sa harap ng altar, during the Mass, hindi lang nangako si Mark Jason sa'yo, Jacqueline Camille, kundi sa Diyos. Kaya Mark Jason, pinakita mo kay Jacqueline Camille na hindi mo lang siya minamahal, sinasamba mo pa siya. No? Are you both ready to raise us good Christians, the children whom God will give you?
Yes, Father.
Masabi ko lang sa iyo, Jason, na huwag mong pabayaan si Kay at kailangan nga matatag ang pagbuo ng isang pamilya. Kung may problema, pag-usapan ng maayos.
I know we both agree of no gift giving on our wedding day, but you know me, I always follow my heart, and you are always the key. I love you in every universe. May hashtag pa siya. Jason found the key to his heart.
Wow, ang ganda!
Babe, this is it. After almost 3 years, ito na yung hinihintay natin na church wedding natin, kasama yung buong family natin. Ito talaga yung gusto nating mangyari. And excited na akong makita ka.
So, Jacqueline Camille, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father. Grant us, O Lord, to be one heart and one soul, from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, until death do us part.